Trump's DOJ are refusing to listen to the judge's order about the $1.8 billion anti-weaponization fund. They are refusing to listen. The judge is asking for a specific action from them, but they're refusing to do it. I want you to listen to this yourself so you can know what we're dealing with here.
Mr. Attorney General, I wanted to ask a few questions about the anti-weaponization fund. We know that the department has agreed to pause this effort until at least June 12th. I wanted to ask what your plans were for the fund after June 12th.
So thank you. So look, we're not moving forward with the fund. You're right that there's a date that in the case in the Eastern District of Virginia in June, but we are not moving forward with the fund, period.
You can hear for yourself what just happened now. Todd was basically telling the people that the fund is dead. Okay, we want to believe you that the fund is dead, but this is America. We don't just believe with words of mouth. We want to believe with written documents. We want to believe with hope. We want to believe with something legal. And that's exactly what's happening here. So this is what happened. Trump sued the IRS and the Treasury Department because of his leaked tax record, tax information. That's why he sued them. And so the DOJ came into, the SURF came into an agreement, settlement between Trump and IRS for, I think, $1.8 billion. That's the anti-weaponization fund. And so when that happened, one judge blocked the fund from moving forward. And after that, the Trump organization said, okay, the judge blocked it. We're not moving forward with it. Okay. But the judge was not satisfied with that. And I appreciate that because, you can't just believe the words of mouths of people. This person, she's a judge. She doesn't just believe in words of mouth. She wants to see that this thing has, paper trail, is well documented, is legal. And so the judge is asking the DOJ, the Trump's DOJ, to come and testify, to come and put it on the hold that the fund is officially dead. You can listen to what he said just now, told blank, that they're not moving forward with it. That's okay. That's okay. But we want to make sure that this is legal. Go on the hold and tell and make it known that the fund is officially dead. But allegedly, the Trump's DOJ is unwilling to do that. If someone is telling the truth, that person, that's what I believe. If someone is telling the truth, that person will be willing to go to any extent of telling the people, of showing the people his innocence. If truly this fund is dead, I don't see any problem in the DOJ, Trump's DOJ saying this fund is dead and so it's dead, it's going to be dead forever. Why are we not hearing anything? And that's where I have issues now. Republicans. From what we've been hearing from Republicans, we've been hearing the Republican Party stands for the truth, that stands for godly values. Why is this now happening? Why can't we go on the hold and say, hey, I'm telling the truth, I'm willing, to put it on the hold that this fund is dead. And there's no way we're going to bring it alive again. But allegedly, Trump's DOJ, they're unwilling to do that. So there's a situation of things, folks. This is what we're dealing with. But I do hope that these judges do everything possible to make sure that the rules and regulations, the law of the United States is followed through to the letter in this case. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.